I did a survey and I asked you guys if you want to have macro photography tutorial, and you guys voted for yes. And here I am using my Canon EOS R with Sigma 105mm f2.8. This is macro lens. You can use any other lens with the extension tube, which you can use between your lens and your camera body. And there are some other macro filters which you can put in front of your lens and it will become a macro, but the quality will be compromised. So today we are going to shoot these flowers. This flower here, it's a very cute flower. For the macro, you should use a very good sturdy tripod, because when you are going very close to your subjects, very minimal vibrations will affect on the quality of the image. The image will not be sharp, and if the light is not enough, you can use LED light or you can use a flash, whatever is available with you, you can use. Let's set up our camera on our tripod and we find a best place to shoot this flower. Okay, so I have set up my tripod like this and it's looking down on the flower. Come close and I will show you what I can see here. First of all, let's talk about the settings. I'm using my aperture priority mode and I'm using f5 here. ISO is 1600, which I can reduce to 400 because that is the best ISO for my camera. Okay, so the shutter speed is now here 1/320 I will focus here. I'm using a continuous focus. Yes, the picture is very amazing. I hope you have learned something from the video. If yes, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.